Now, the teacher said the earth is round. Now I want to tell you, do you know what is this basically? Let me tell you. This is your reporting verb. Reporting verb. And this is your reported speech. This is your basically reported speech. This is your reporting verb and this is your reported speech. Now see, the teacher said, teacher ने कहा the earth is round. जो पृथ्वी होती है वो गोल होती है. So if you see, so this is universal truth. Universal truth. So like you know when you will see like ये एक universal truth है. Like कि पृथ्वी जो होती है गोली होती है. क्या चपटी होती है पृथ्वी तो भाई गोल होती है. ऐसी चीज चपटी होती है क्या? तो नहीं होती. तो इसमें टेंस का चेंज नहीं होता है. हो जाएगा the teacher said कहा, और when you will remove this inverted comma you will have to put here that. So I have to hear that the teacher said that the earth is round. जो पृथ्वी होती है वो गोल होती है. So if you get universal truth, so there you have to not change tenses. यहाँ पर tense है present में, मैंने इसे present में ही रखा. I haven't changed anything. So now have a look on another word. Like he said, उसने कहा. What he said? He said the sun rises. The east. Now this is your reporting verb, you know, and this is your total reported speech. You also know this. Now I don't have to write it. Now see, he said. So he said will be he said because object has not given, so that is why it will not change. He said that. Now when do we remove this inverted comma? We put that. So that is why I have written here that. Now have a look on reported speech sentence. The sun rises in the east. So if you see ना, so this is your natural law. ये एक प्राकृतिक like नियम है कि जो है सूर्य जो है पूरब से नहीं उगेगा, पूरब से नहीं उगेगा. तो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ में भी जो टेंस होते हैं वो नहीं चेंज होते हैं. एंड नेचुरल लॉ, जो नेचुरल लॉ प्राकृतिक का नियम है, जो प्राकृतिक ने नियम बनाई है, उसमें भी टेंस का चेंज नहीं होता है. तो दिस इज द नेचुरल लॉ बेसिकली. इफ यू सी, सो यू हैव टू राइट जस्ट लाइक दैट. The sun rises in the east. Now I want to tell you one another sentence. Do this, it will like not totally clear. This is like she said, उसने कहा क्या बोला? Honesty the best policy. Now object has not given, so said will be said. She said, उसने कहा, and when you will remove this inverted comma you will have to put that. She said that. अब ये भी एक क्या है? ये एक like you know universal truth है. ये universal truth है कि जो ईमानदारी होती है अच्छी नीति होती है. Right. So this will also not change. You will have to write honesty. Each has given, this is in the present, so I will also make in the present because this does not change. I have told you like a universal truth and natural truth. If you get in reported speech universal truth or natural truth, so the tense will not change. So honesty is the best policy. Now if you have understood anything through my video, like and share my video. Thanks so much for watching.